with KLEKI Pro, Elaine, and she is going to lead us through how to use KLEKI to make a digital self-portrait. I can't tell you, I'm so excited. All right, Elaine, explain what we're doing first. The undo? I love the undo button. There it goes. I just had to press it a couple times because I did a few things. I want to take a self-portrait.
Oh, self-portrait?
Mm-hmm. So you guys are going to open your camera and take a portrait. Window thing and take a picture. Okay. Oh, my hair's all messy. There we go. Okay, that's better. Oh, I'm so excited. I think I'm going to raise my screen. I don't think I like that one. I'm going to try this again. Here we go. Oh, that was perfect. Because I'm going to download another picture of one of my most favorite people. That would be the artist Dolly Parton. So I'm going to do a Google search here. Is she really? She's a genius. People take her like as some stupid blonde, but she is not. Let's see. Dolly Parton. She has made more like songs. Let's see. I'm gonna go to images and I'm gonna save my image, and I want to have her. I think this one looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna go to save image as Dolly. And I'm gonna save another image right now. So I'm gonna save an image of where we're gonna be. So I think if I was with Dolly, I'd probably be in the Tennessee Hills, because that's where she's from, and it is gorgeous there. Let's see, which one do I like? I think I'm gonna go for this one, the Smoky Mountains. It's so beautiful. Save image as, we'll call this one the Smokies. First layer, because this is a layering process. So I want to insert layer. So I'm going to come to layer and
press the plus button.
Plus.
Then you're on the second layer. Then you're going to go back to brushes.
Okay, brushes.
And are you trying to import the...
I'm trying to import the background.
So then you're going to press this button right here.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm going to find my picture, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's see.
For the picture of you, you'd probably go to camera roll.
I'm going to go to Smokies because I'm putting that one in first.
Oh, yeah, true. And I'd say as image.
As image?
Yeah.
What's the difference?
Well, the image makes that the actual canvas instead of a layer.
Okay.
Like I added my photo as a layer, and I can... Well, you can do that on there too. But...
Okay. So as image. And do I need to make this bigger?
Sure, but if you go to the hand and press it, it should
moving it around.
Yeah. If you press fit, it should fit to screen.
Fit. Oh, okay, right here. Oh, perfect. I love it. All right. So now I want to go back to layers, right?
Yeah.
And
you got to switch to the paintbrush first.
Oh, paintbrush. Okay, go to paintbrush. Go to layers then. Thank you.
Yeah.
And I need a new layer, plus?
Yeah.
And I want to import. So I had the plus sign?
No, that's...
No. Where do I go?
You go to import image again.
Where's that?
It's the this button.
Oh, right.
Where you got to pick that.
Okay, so I'll go onto my desktop because that's where I have it, but on your machines it'll be in your home button, and then it will be in your camera roll to find this, and here's mine. And I want to add it as a layer this time. And Elaine says, there's my mouth. And go like this and shrink it.
Yeah, until you can get it down to the size you want.
Okay, this is a little awkward, but I will keep working it over till we get it.
Yeah, sometimes it depends on just like the general size of the picture.
I'm like looking at a giant picture of myself. Yeah. Okay, I think you guys are gonna have fun taking some crazy selfies. You guys are selfie professionals. I think if I ever saw Dolly Parton in person, this is how I would look, because I would be like, what? He's my hero. And I hit okay?
Yeah.
All right. And then I want to get rid of all this junk.
Yeah, so you would just erase around yourself.
Okay, so how do I do that?
Oh, you stay on that filter layer, and then you go to brush.
Brush.
And you put the little eraser right there.
Eraser.
And you turn off pressure gauge.
How's that? Where it's at? This?
Yeah.
Turn that off, and here it goes. Bye. Ooh, can I make it smaller? That's awfully big.
Yeah. If you hit yeah.
Size?
Yeah, size.
How do I do that? 26.
Yeah, you basically just do that, and then here, let me show you the size first. So what I usually do is I zoom in real close to it, and then I make it really small. And then for you, since you're using your then you would just like go up close to your leg. Yeah.
So zoom in to do it if you want a tighter.
Yeah. And if you press that plus, then you can zoom in.
This one? This one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. A little sloppy there I am. Okay.
Turn down my mouse so you can actually see what's moving.
Ah! I just erased my face. Okay, undo. That was a close one. How do I move this again?
You go to hand.
Go to hand.
And
then grab me and move me.
Yeah.
Now I go back to brush.
Yeah.
And I'm still on eraser.
Yeah, you're still on eraser.
Okay. And I'm gonna erase myself. Erase this yucky background. Boring classroom background.
Press the minus if you don't want to do that.
Minus. And I'm still erasing. Yep. And I want to move myself again, so I hit the hand. Move myself. I got a little junk over here. I'm gonna add. And am I still? No, I'm not erasing now. So I want to hit. What do I gotta get here? No. I want to go to layers. Yeah.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to get my eraser back on.
Oh, you go to the brush.
Oh, the brush. That's right.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. I think that's good. Okay, so now I'm going to go minus, minus, minus. I love the Smoky Mountains. All right, so now I'm bringing in my hero, Dolly Parton. So I'm going to hit the little, what do you call this yellow thing?
What yellow thing?
The yellow thing. Is that like an insert button?
Importer.
Importer, okay. And
Files.
there's Dolly. Oh, there she is. Okay, and I'm going to add her as a layer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and I want to...
And I'd suggest flipping her.
Flipping her. Okay, how do I...
You just add her as a layer first.
Okay.
And then you can press OK.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
It looks like you're taller than
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, how do I... Here, a little bit bigger? Like that? You
a
think?
Little bit smaller.
A little smaller, you think, right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And then you press edit. Oh, you gotta go to brush first.
Oh, brush. And then edit.
Yeah.
And then
you
flip.
Flip. Sorry. He's doing that.
Okay.
Then you press flip layer.
Layer.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay.
And then go to transform so that she's not on top of you. And move her a little bit. Around there. Yeah.
Like there?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh. All right. And now I want to go to brush and layer, and I want to
make sure you're on that layer.
And
then go to brush.
Dolly and brush.
And then
erase. And now this isn't going to erase me though.
No, because you're on a different layer.
Oh, look at that. Here I am. That's fun. Dolly likes to wear white. I've watched more things on Dolly Parton than I care to admit to. I'm not a stalker, but I'm close. I think I'm just going to do kind of a rough erase now. Did you know that she wears wigs?
Really?
Yes, all of her hair is wigs.
I thought that was real.
No.
I was like, wow, she's rocking the 80s style.
Yeah, no, she wears wigs because of all the performing and stuff that she does. Her hair just went to poo, and so she wears. No, but her hair's real thin because as you get older, your hair just gets thin anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, back to brush.
My hair is just naturally thin.
Yeah, mine too. Okay, am I still erasing?
Yes.
I'm getting it tighter though.
Yeah.
Nice job. Go. One time we were driving through Tennessee and I begged my husband, please, let's go by Dolly Parton's house. And he's like, no, you're being weird. Darn it. When are we going to be in Tennessee again? She lives in Brentwood. I know. That's a stalkery thing. But, I think I'm going to just give her a little haircut up here. Kind of bring it down a little bit. I think that looks better. She's just so darn talented.
Yeah.
I think that looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, finally a picture with me. All right, and I go back, I go here, and then I want to minus. Okay, so brush.
And then press again. And then you go down to and then you go wherever you want to.
Can I make this a new layer?
Sure, you just gotta go to layers and then
that way I can move it. Plus, and
then go back to text. Oh no, the word text. Next to it.
Oh, yes. Okay, and now what?
Then you press where you want to put it, like the corner of your text where you want it. Yeah.
Make like a text box.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm gonna put hashtag Dolly is. I think I'm gonna move. Nope, don't like it there. How about up here? Okay. Okay. Oh, look at that. Precious. All right. So now I suppose I would need to save this. Save image. Okay, so we're going to the little arrow button. And looks like it's saved there. Let's open this up. There it is. And we're going to call this something. So I'm going to call it Mertz Digital Art. And then I'm gonna, yeah, like that. And I'm gonna save it on my desktop because I just like to put stuff there. Don't want it locked. All right. Okay, and there we have it, our digital art project. Oh, I finally have a picture with my idol. Oh gosh, this is exciting. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you, Elaine, for helping. And so anyway, have fun. Thanks for watching.